na sinasantikan ni Coach Joe.
That's right. Here is Rosales. Calyangan will pull the trigger and knock down a triple. Christian Abad and Brandon Yutok both in the ball game for the Green Shirts. Calyangan, bounce pass to Cristino. Nakapasok lang, pumuntos agad si Jericho Cristino. Abad has got the soft hands. I see with a slash to the hoop. Calyangan now with 9 points.
Nandoon lang, tinadot lang yung mga tira.
Calyangan with the save.
That's a free three.
Send out Rosales. Off the back iron that time. Calyangan tracks it down. JD tries another one. Boom! JD Pagulayan finds the bottom of the net.
Ano mo yung pinakamaganda? Pinakita ni Coach Willie yung video.
Ayun ba?
Sila video.
May pa rin, no?
At saka he looks healthy, ah. He looks healthy now.
Yeah. DJ Tabuan! Perpetual is now shooting 8 out of 15.
Providing a lot of extra gusto, kumbaga, para sa kanilang koponan.
Isa sa mga veterano ng NSGH was in the Final Four in Season 98 as Pagulayan scores on the roll.
Head coach Renren Ritualo ang pilit ginigising ang kanyang players. Paalala niya, we are shooting ourselves on the foot. The opponents had too many three-pointers when the simple solution is to stay defensively in front.
They regain control again. Calyangan. IC is doubled. Calyangan got the step. Too strong. Quick pass. Paldoria underneath. What a play for Calyangan.
Palit kong bilya, abot hanggang kornisa yung pagkaka-pihit ng bola eh.
We have to see that play again because IC just made it happen that time. Here's the miss first. Split the D, got the step, missed the shot, got his own miss and the quick pass.
Oo, ayun o. Maikan drill, reverse Maikan.
IC Calyangan now. 3.5 to go in the third quarter. IC handles. IC takes it himself. Calyangan scores the short jumper.
Yep. Talagang loaded yung shaded area.
Pandoria tried to drop it off. Tabuan. Ito yung kick out papunta kay Pagulayan. Under 3 minutes to go.
High-low.
Nakasil si Pandoria. Off the back.
Galing nung pasa na yun. Itong coming season natin in the seniors ramps. Pero tatapusin pa natin muna itong season 100.
Oh, siyempre.
Alam mo naman ako, plugged in ako. Excited ako eh.
That's coming in a few months. I see. Attacks. Game of his life
Kaya
here.
na naman, offensive rebounding.
Calyangan. Basket and the foul for IC Calyangan.
Kita mo na yung game plan. Kayang isulat. Oh guys, talo tayo. Di tayo rebound. Offensive rebounding. Number 1. Number 2, promesure tayo ng promesure. Tapos atakihin nyo ng atakihin. Atakihin nyo natin. Atakihin. Relentless pressure. 2-foot gather umatake si Gillian Ines eh. Lagi siyang gano'n. Or he would read the defense. Catch and look muna to eh.
Oh! Gian Gomez. He's still at it. Of course, that's still a formidable Mapua team despite not having Mamupan and Mobilia.
No.
Wala na
Eh,
Mobilia.
gano'n naman yan. Pagka may nawawala, may dumarating.
Nedura! Wow! Umambag pa! Si Lance Nedura!
Pampakumpiyansa next year.
Might be a little too late for YouTube. They are down here by 29.
10 assists.
IC enters double territory.
So ang question na ngayon is holding on to the players.
There's now continuity in the program. At meron na rin yun. Yung streamline, yung programa, pwede magpatuloy sa kolehiyo. As we see this basket, everything going in now for Perpetual.